Hey best friends, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are interested in how I achieved this color and this look, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna start off with a fresh wig. This is a closure wig, my fiance wig. I just wanted to add some color. I'm using the Revlon Color Silk in the shade 45. This is the bright auburn color, and yeah, I'm going to be using this way. Sometimes I use just a regular bleach and do it that way, but I have found this way of just using the box dye is so much more better. The color comes out so much more better at everything. I don't have to guess nothing or anything. Right here you just see me, I'm actually parting off exactly where I want my part to be at, so I know exactly how I want to do it, because I will be putting highlights in it, so I want it to all fall in place and just be seamless and cute. So this is the box and everything that comes with it. You're gonna get some gloves, you're gonna get cream color developer, which is the little white mixture. You're gonna also get an ammonia free colorant, which is the actual color that you're gonna mix with the developer. And you're also gonna get some after color conditioner, so that when you are done applying your color and everything is set and done, you can condition the hair so that the color stays longer. So right here in this clip, I'm just going to mix in the ammonia with the developer so that I can begin to mix it up, shake it up, and start the process of coloring. Here's a small tip for any time that you are using these box dyes. You want to cut off the top of the applicator before you start shaking, because what tends to happen is you'll start shaking, and then when you go to start applying it to your hair or your wig or whatever you're dyeing at the moment, you're gonna have all of that developer still at the top that's not shooken up or nothing. So you want to make sure that you cut the top off first, and make sure that you shake this stuff thoroughly. Make sure that it is good and ready to go. Right here you see me, I'm just sectioning off the hair. I do 2 tracks at a time so that you don't have to make them too small. You don't as long as you're doing it right, you're not making like too big of hunks. But I usually go by 2 tracks at a time, and right here I'm just pinning the hair off so that I can begin the dyeing process. Now when I go into dyeing the hair, I do apply it straight to the hair first, and then I lather it in with my hands, and then I go in with the comb so that I can make sure that it is evenly spread across. You want to make sure that it is evenly on throughout the whole entire head, and you want to make sure that you are literally taking your time with this and making sure that every piece of hair is dyed, because what you don't want to happen is you get all the way to the end, and when the color starts to lift and you literally have batches of undyed hair because you skipped a couple steps. So you want to make sure when you're applying the dye that you are combing it through afterwards and making sure that it is evenly on the entire section of hair. And you're going to do this process and complete it continuously, do the same process throughout the entire head. So this is what it looks like when I have completed the dyeing process. I did lose the footage before, so I apologize for that. But right here in this clip, I am literally taking my Suave mousse and I'm going to apply it to the part that I will have my part at, so that once it's drying and once it dries, it can literally be molded down to the exact way I want it to lay and how I'm going to, you know, style it afterwards once it dries. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. This is after it has dried. I did put some wine curls in it, and yeah, so this is the final look. I want to thank you so much for watching my video, and if you have not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn your post notification bell on so you won't miss when I upload. But until next time you guys.